Morning, children. I hope that you are enjoying at home. Even you have learned many things at home in these days. Children, last week I taught you comparison of big and small. Today I will teach you comparison of heavy and light. Heavy and light. See, this word is heavy and this word is light. Today we will do comparison of heavy and light objects. First, I would like to tell you meaning of comparison. What is comparison? Comparison means there is a difference between two things. इसका मतलब है कि जो दो चीजों में अंतर होता है उसको हम कंपैरिजन बोलते हैं. ठीक है. अब आज आपको मैं यही चीज सिखाने वाली हूँ. ठीक है चिल्ड्रन, आई विल शो यू हैवी एंड लाइट ऑब्जेक्ट्स. हैवी थिंग्स आर दोस, these things cannot be lifted easily, okay, and light things we can lift up very easily. Children, see, I have two fruits. One is watermelon, one is peach. Both are fruits. Difference is watermelon is heavy. It is heavy. When we lift it up, it is heavy. Now see peach. Peach is very light. It is very light. Here is balloon. This is balloon. You know that balloon is very light. As comparing to balloon, this ball is very heavy. This ball is very heavy. Now, I will show you comparison in these bottles. See, I have two bottles. One is heavy. One is heavy. And this one is light because it is empty and it is very light. In this bottle, there is a Limca. It is heavy. Next is difference between lock and key. Lock is heavy. Lock is very heavy and key is very light. Okay, children. You read books? Yes, you read books. Your brother, sister also read books. This is newspaper. Your papa read newspaper. Which one is light? Newspaper is light. Book is heavy. More things I will show you. Both things. One is hammer. One is pencil. Which one is heavy? Hammer is heavy. Pencil is very light. You write with this pencil. It is very light. Next I will show you brick. Oh, this is very heavy. Everybody knows that brick is heavy object. As compared to brick, I will show you leaf. Leaf is light. Leaf is light. Children, right now I hope that heavy and light things you have seen. Concept is clear to you. Now we will do one activity to learn more this concept of comparison of heavy and light. Let us do one activity. We will do one thing. We will put heavy things right side and light things to left side. Okay, children. Now see which is my right side. This is my right side. Right hand. Okay. This is my left hand. Now let us choose things. Brick is heavy. It is already lying on the right side. Okay. Now we will take watermelon. We will put watermelon on right side because we have to put right things on right side. Peach is here on left side. Balloon is light. It is on left side. Where we will put this ball? This is heavy. We will put this right side. Okay. Okay, children. Now, leaf is light or heavy? It is very light. We will put it on left side. Okay, children. Now, again two things. Which is light? Key is light. Lock is heavy. Again, pencil is light. Hammer is heavy. Hammer is heavy object. Now, book is heavy or light? Book is heavy. Book is heavy. We will put this in right side. Newspaper we will put on left side. Children, now we have done distribution. We have done separation of heavy and light things. I hope that concept is clear to you. Okay, children? One thing is left, children. Oh, which I have left? I have left bottle is light. Okay, I have to put it on my left side. Heavy bottle is already lying on my right side. Now we have completed our activity. I hope that concept is clear to you. Okay, beta? Thank you. Have a nice day.